What if a single, simple exercise could reshape your posture, heal your shoulders, and even make you taller? It sounds almost too good to be true, but there's scientific evidence showing that hanging can do exactly that. For instance, Dr. John M. Kirsch reported that after prescribing hanging to his patients who were recommended for shoulder surgery, a staggering 90% ended up not needing the surgery, just from hanging. So, the question isn't if it's healthy, but why. If you look at the structure of our shoulders, it's clear we evolved from apes. Our shoulders are meant for hanging and climbing. In fact, other than apes, we're the only animals with shoulders that can move with such a wide range of motion. But first, what does hanging actually do for your body? The 5 big benefits. Hanging is a powerful tool because it decompresses the spine. It uses gravity to pull the hips away from the shoulders, creating space in places that are typically compressed from our modern, sedentary lifestyle. This is crucial for anyone who lifts weights or works a physically demanding job. Opens up stiff muscles. It stretches and opens the muscles around the shoulder, like the lats and chest, which commonly become tight and stiff from sitting at a computer all day. Reshapes the shoulder joint. Over time, it can literally reshape the bones surrounding the shoulder to create more space in the ball and socket joint, allowing for freer, pain-free movement. Boosts grip strength and longevity. It dramatically increases grip strength, which is one of the biggest predictors of mortality. Meaning, the stronger your grip, the less likely you are to die from all causes. Builds resilient strength. When done correctly, it makes your shoulders and core stronger and more resilient, translating to greater strength and athleticism throughout your entire body. How to hang the right way. Shoulders, relaxed and up towards the ears. Ribs, pulled down, achieved by keeping slight tension in your core muscles. Head, positioned right above the ribs. Hands, shoulder width apart is optimal, but you can play with this. Breathing, steady. Try to expand the rib cage with each breath. Passive hanging is about letting gravity do the stretching for you. Your grip will probably be the first thing to give out, but don't worry, it gets stronger quickly. Using chalk can help create more friction. The best goal to start with is to build the strength to hang for a full 60 seconds. How often should you hang? Relaxed hanging can be done every day, but don't overdo it. Keep each session light, only 3 minutes of accumulated hang time per day, or 5 to 6 minutes every other day. Most adults have lost the ability to do monkey bars, and it's incredibly valuable to build it back. Many people who have struggled with chronic shoulder stiffness or past injuries find that reintroducing this fundamental movement helps their body heal in ways they never thought possible. Have you experienced the magic of hanging? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.